Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe and positive out there. We've got another crypto market update today. We've got some bullish moves with Ripple making some announcements in regards to CBDC. So we're going to get into all of that as well as all the crypto news and prices today. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. We are just getting started. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So give it a good old thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's absolutely free. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye, especially in crypto, all right? So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. Let's go straight to the community tab. Yes, I had meetings today, and probably everyone's thinking, where's my baseball cap right here? But had meetings. Anyway, let's move on. You've got Ripple Senior Advisor says there will be CBDC announcements coming in the weeks ahead, guys. This is bullish as anything. As much as I don't like CBDCs, as we all know, I obviously like to see Ripple making moves, because this is where the real money is going to be, and XRP will be used for cross-border payments. We know this. Now, moving on, US, we had another 0.5 obviously basis points, 50 basis points interest rate rise yesterday, which is going to be devastating for us Aussies here and those who are struggling at the moment. It's devastating to see that they're going to be having to pay another few $100s a week on their mortgages as well, which is not good. Not good, guys, not good. Anyway, yes, I'm doing a giveaway when I hit 50,000 subscribers. I'll do some hoodies, some t-shirts, caps, and obviously some XRP crypto. Obviously, if you're watching this and you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there. Let's go straight to Coinspot. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. Please feel free to use the referral link below. You will get $10 in Bitcoin. Of course, do your own research and due diligence. All these prices you see here are in Australian dollars. I'm going to go through the prices of my favorite cryptos, and then we'll get into all the news, all right? So make sure to stick around. Bitcoin sitting at $28,000 today. It has dropped below the 30,000 Australian dollar mark, roughly around about 18,000 USD. Not too worried about that at all, because, you know, you got to think long term, all right? We're going to have another Bitcoin halving very soon. This is going to be nothing. Facts. It'll easily go to, you know, 300,000 or 400,000 US dollars, you know, in 5 to 10 years. So I'm not really worried about that. I'm still holding onto my Bitcoin from 2017. Now, Ethereum's at $2,300 today. Hasn't been doing much, guys, even though the merge is not far off. There has been an update in regards to that, so we'll get into that in a second. You've got Cardano at 70 cents. I am bullish on that. XRP's at 48 cents. Matic $1.23. I'm going to go to my other favorites here, of course. A near protocol, $6.27. Coinbase listing very soon. It's amazing to see that even the Coinbase listing hasn't sent the price of NEAR skyrocketing. Very interesting. Stellar's at 15 cents. Lunar Classic is down 17%. I know a lot of people would have taken some profits out of that. You got Algorand at 43 cents. VeChain at 3 cents as well. Moving down, guys, you've got Mana at $1.12. Sandbox, is $1.33. All of these my favorites as well, and I do hold these. Hedera's at 9 cents as well. Quant is sitting at $138. This is looking incredibly good right now, so I might throw some money into that tonight. Just dollar cost averaging, guys, every week. Axe Infinity is at $20. I am staking that, earning some nice passive income on Coinspot, which is good. Moving down, guys, you've got IOTA at 40 cents today. The Graph 15 cents. Moving down, Neo's at $13. Some other favorites here. Engine, I need to add that in my portfolio, 73 cents. Keep moving down to some other favorites here, guys. Of course, you've got Gala at 7 cents and XDC sitting at 3 cents right now at the time of recording. All right, bullish on these ones, of course, XYO, Alliance Block, and Reef as well, I do like. Now, let's go to Crypto Bubbles. Now, before we do that as well, yes, this is the Wall Street Bull official.com. go and have a look at this. I've just put a crypto widget up here as well, so that's pretty cool as well. So go grab yourself some merch. Use the discount code MOON10. You will get 10% off. You can go grab some awesome stuff right here. You know, the ISO 222 coins shirt. I've got the Hedera to the moon, premium heavyweight stuff as well. None of this, they're incredible quality. And of course, Hedera to the moon. I've also got the Ripple NASA logo to the moon. Anyway, everything's linked below, guys. Go check it out. Use the discount code. And also, for those of you who have ordered as well, that has been shipped out. Tracking numbers have been provided. So make sure you check your orders. And thank you very much for all those orders. That's incredible. All right, let's go to Crypto Bubbles to see what's happening in the moment on the day. It's a sea of red right now, guys. Incredible buying opportunities. Whenever this happens, I like it because it just means you can grab up some bargains right here. Not too worried about anything of this. Obviously, you've got the biggest loser right here, down 26% is DeFi Chain. Not really familiar with that one, guys. Nexo's down as well, 12%. Lido DAO, again, 16%. And obviously, there's a lot of macro stuff going on in the world at the moment. But again, I just see this as buying opportunities. What do you think about that? Let me know in the comments below. What else? We've got some incredible buys right here. I mean, XLM, this is a bullish project, guys. Stellar's massive, 7% as well. Very, very bullish on that one. What else we got here, guys? Some other favorites. Let's go to Hedera. Down 6.3% today. Still incredibly cheap and undervalued. All right, very, very undervalued. Now, one coin I haven't seen on here for a very long time is actually XDC. No one ever talks about it. It's unbelievable. Anyway, let's go to the news. Yes, I'll accept your cookies. Give me some cookies. Anyway, Ripple Advisor teases more CBDC announcements in the next few weeks, guys. So the blockchain company has been pushing hard into CBDC space since piloting its CBDC private ledger aimed at central banks in March 2021. Ripple may soon unveil positive developments in the central bank digital currency projects right here, following hints from Ripple CBDC advisor Anthony Welfare. Nice name, of more announcements to come, which is nice. So crypto influencer Sento Mushaba right here shared on Twitter on Tuesday that Ripple was in the midst of several CBDC pilot programs, including one in Bhutan and the other in Palau, which is very nice as well. So Ripple's senior advisor Welfare, who handles CBDC's Europe and global partnerships, responded on the same thread, teasing there could be more CBDC announcements in the next few weeks right here, guys. And Crypto Eerie right here. Love your channel. So Ripple has several pilots in progress for CBDCs, including the Royal Monetary Authority RMA in Bhutan and the Republic of Palau, which is bullish. Just keeps going, man. They don't stop. They do not stop, even though there's a stupid lawsuit going on, which it's been very quiet the last few days. I mean, weeks, sorry, since the last, back and forth with the SEC and Ripple. Anyway, so we'll keep an eye on that. That's in progress as well. What else we got here, guys? There is a new payment solutions to be presented at the XRPL Developers Summit hosted by Ripple. I would love to attend that, guys. As it has become known, the Apex XRPL Developers Summit, taking place over the next 2 days in Las Vegas, that'd be nice, will feature a number of new XRP payment solutions, specifically according to the statement, well-known XRPL Labs developers Whiteys right here, Wind, and Dominique Belomasa. The forum will present an XRP payments and refund solution that uses pathfinding technology, which is really nice as well. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing your names wrong. They're just very difficult. Anyway, moving on, guys. So this is a bullish update here, guys. If you're going to that summit, let me know in the comments below. Very, very nice right here. You got Ethereum prices. Get out of here, Forbes. Ethereum prices rally from the Bellatrix upgrade moves Ethereum one step closer to the merge right here. So this is happening right here. Is anyone actually bullish on this, guys? Does anyone care about the merge? I'm curious. Everyone's just wanting to make gains, and a lot of people are trying to do that with Ethereum Classic. All right. I think we'll see what happens with the price of Ethereum. Can it make the entire crypto market recover? I don't know. Ether prices have climbed recently, pushing higher as Ethereum community continues to brace for the network's upcoming merge. The world's second most valuable digital currency by market cap value surpassed 1,685 USD around 8:30 a.m. ETD right here, guys. At the point of the cryptocurrency has appreciated more than 7% in under 24 hours, additional CoinDesk figures reveal. The digital asset reached the intraday high roughly 1 hour after the Bellatrix upgrade, which prepares for Ethereum's beacon chain to be merged with the platform's mainnet, was activated right now. So some things are moving with Ethereum. Probably going to see the same thing with Cardano once the Vassal upgrade takes place as well. So two projects, Ethereum and Cardano. We'll see where we go. I'm actually more bullish on Cardano. I think there's more opportunity there to get those gains and those multiples, all right? What else we got here, guys? Let me just have a look at this for this news feed. My phone is having a moment. So will Ethereum merge crash or revive the crypto market? Let me know in the comments below what you think is going to happen once the merge is completed. Do you think it's going to make the entire crypto market recover? I don't know. I'm pretty sure that XRP will, considering it's the biggest financial, case in history pretty much against the SEC. I think that's going to change the market around, but that's just my opinion. Anyway, moving on, guys. Some other news right here. Bitcoin diamond hands, long-term holder supply surges up to near all-time highs right here. So data shows the Bitcoin's long-term holder supply has surged up recently to near all-time high values as these diamond hands add to their holdings, right? So Bitcoin term holder supply jumps by 250K BTC after a recent low. Diamond hands. Bitcoin is only going up in value. It's got its moments during the, the uptrend right here, guys. And again, if you look at that linear regression line, it is still going in an upward movement right here. It's not crashing back down to $3,000, $5,000. Because if it does, I'm buying it straight up. There's no question about that. Okay, let's go to cryptometer.io. Then we're going to get into Twitter. There is a lot happening here, obviously, on Twitter, guys. If you've got money going into Beth, not interested in that. Ethereum, you've got VGX right here, XMR Monero, you've got Holochain, RVN, Clay, XRP Tron, which is nice. You've got BTC, of course, that's always there. AMV Titan, you've got CTC right here, Lazio, which is the Italian soccer club. That's pretty much it. Let's go to Twitter, guys, because there's some really interesting stuff going on there at the moment. And I'm going to get out of this, guys, and go to my Twitter page. I'm at the Wall Street Bull right here. Oz, you can see the username. Make sure you're following the official one right here. CBDCs for Ripple. CBDCs for Ripple. You've got Crypto Area as well. Announcement today, XRP on-demand liquidity exchange Bitso uses crypto cross-border payment tech to help Canadian remittance company. I believe that's AfriChange right here, expand into Mexico. That's bullish. Now, this is an interesting tweet, and I retweeted this, so thank you, XRP, $25 for this one. This was before the XRP ran to $1.96 USD. I should have stuck to my plan and should have listened to my wife. I lost a lot. Didn't sell, didn't store keys correctly, tried to leverage trading, got wrecked. Now I don't even hold 10% of this. I share this because I don't want someone to make the same mistakes I did. Be careful with your keys for your crypto wallets, all right? Straight up. Be careful. Write them in, stamp them in metal, and put them in a vault somewhere where no one knows where they are. Obviously, yourself and one other significant other, of course. And just be careful with this stuff. And don't go leverage trading because you will get wrecked. I mean, 1.2 million XRP valued at $589,000. That is insane right there. That's unbelievable. Look at that. $600,000 portfolio. One day we will wake up and we will all have that. All right, we're all going to have that. If you don't, there you go. We're just, this is just getting started. Anyway, crypto crash, Cassandra BC, crypto crash, check, meme crash, check, SPAC crash, check, inflation check, 2000 check, 2008 crash, check, 2022 check. There's some big things happening right here, guys. Look at this amount of Ethereum. 30,000 Ethereum moved from an unknown wallet to an unknown wallet. That's $50 million USD. That is insane. CZ Binance. Blockchain is one of the 7 technology families that will transform our economy in the future. Quote from somewhere right now, guys. Don't ask me about the other 6. I don't know. That's bullish as well. I tweeted this, guys. Look at the amount of Ethereum that's been moving from unknown wallet to Huobi. $111 million. That is just insane. Massive amount, $73,000. I've just tweeted this, guys. So Bitcoin drops below 20K USD in 24 hours. It'll be back up to 20K in 48 hours. That's just usually what happens anyway. It's just a roller coaster. Richard Hart right here. It's funny that so many are focused on the bear market. I'm focused on the next bull market. That is facts. You need to think big. Think long term. Think the next bull market. These are times where the most difficult times where people actually will make money if you continue to dollar cost average, not financial advice. This is what happens, guys. Now, digital asset investor, thank you for this tweet and the video. If even half of these comments are true, we need a lot more hype, not less. I don't lose my enthusiasm because of a temporary down market. I'm a believer. I know what I hold, and I've seen too much. Get excited. Look at this video, guys.
Ordinary company. We are not here to have a small market share or do X, do Y, and make small amount of money or something to happen. We are here to make a dent in the universe. Either we will change the remittance universe, the way you understand, the way value gets transferred across the world, between people, between institutions, or we will just fade away. So it's almost 0 or 1.
Well, I think we are moving into a new world order.
But I think then where the digital assets fit in, like things like XRP and Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're kind of in that mid-range. They become, I think, like the Singapore dollar or the Swiss franc, and they become useful in, kind of lubricating the world to make it easier for those big four to get in the hands of people all around the world.
Audience, what is Interledger's total addressable market size? All the money.
When XRP was created, this actually was created before Ripple existed. The creators of XRP decided to be 100 billion units because they saw it as rather than having a smaller number with a very high price, they saw it as something they wanted to be effectively a global reserve currency.
10 years out on the financial crisis, we still don't have the infrastructure perhaps to prevent the next one. And I think this is where digital assets can really help, because an efficient digital asset can really solve some of the key problems in global liquidity. The world's got trillions and trillions of dollars tied up in liquidity just to get around how clunky the movement of value is around the world. If with a really efficient digital asset, something like XRP, and that's what we believe will be the most efficient, you can now reduce trillions and trillions of capital from being tied up. So you can make those transfers instantly as a bank or as a payment provider or as an enterprise without having to have money pre-positioned all over the world.
Because I've always believed from the minute I read the consensus, the white paper on the consensus mechanism for XRP, I believed it had the capability of changing the world.
That is just bullish as anything for me. Anyway, so moving on, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think about that. Justin Polygon says Ethereum's merge to proof of stake will cancel out 99% of the network's carbon emissions. That is going to be big in 2030. We know this for a fact. XDC, tomorrow marks the start of the Atifa Porto 2022 industry experts are set to take the stage. Keep an eye on this one, guys. Andre Casterman is going there for XDC. This is some old news right here, but again, it's still very relevant. Commonwealth Bank of Australia to launch Ripple payments soon. Bitcoin Magazine, Bitcoin News, articles and experts, insights right here. This is back in 2015. Yes, I know it's old, but it's still relevant right here, guys. All right. So the Commonwealth Bank of Australia plans to begin obviously using Ripple network to settle payments between its subsidiaries. All right. This is just the beginning. And yes, they're still using them as far as I'm aware. Somebody may work in the bank and know more about this, but let me know in the comments below if you actually work at CBA. Closes Bitcoin right here, closes $18,790 at the lowest daily close since December 2020. Doesn't really matter, guys. Keep moving on here, guys. The US economist Peter Schiff says Bitcoin holders better abandon ship before the bottom drops out. That ain't going to happen. People are just going to continue to buy the dip. Altcoin Daily. Yes, this is the linear regression line I'm referring to, guys, right here. Basically a fire sale. Bitcoin has slightly dipped down, but in the big scheme of things, it is still continuing to go up in value, and it will continue that for a very long time. Let's get out of this one, guys. And obviously, the Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 24 today. That was 6 hours ago. Extreme fear. But that's pretty much it for that. Let's go to Coin Market Cap. Check what the total crypto market is doing, guys. $938 billion at $85 billion in volume. So that is creeping up there, guys. Once it gets above $100 billion, then we're starting to get some nice green candles right there. 38% BTC, 19% Ethereum today. 20,800 cryptocurrencies. And if I go to my watch list, sorry guys, I had some chocolate before. Let me have a look here. So if I go to the banking coins, this is where my money's going right now. Cardano sitting at 46 cents USD, XRP, XLM, Algorand, Hedera, Quant, Miota, IOTA, XDC, and Alliance Block. Bullish on these coins right here, guys, because they're just no-brainers for me. That's, they're basically helping build the new world the financial economy right here. These coins are doing it. Facts. What else you got here, guys? The watch list. Of course, I'm still holding all of Bitcoin right here. You can see right here, $18,700 today. I just need people to understand, if you go to all time, still up 13,000%. So again, we're a bit of an economic crisis at the moment because of all the inflation, cost of living. It is what it is, guys. But Bitcoin is still up all time 13,000%. That is incredible as well. And of course, if you go to XRP, sitting at Wait for it to load. 5,000%. That is incredible as well. So bullish on these ones, guys. Let me know in the comments below. Think big picture, man. Think long term. This is what the plan is, all right? This is what the goals are. All right, we'll talk to everyone in the comments. Make sure you're following me on all socials. Take care. Speak to you tomorrow. Peace out, bye.